Hello to another beautiful place.
Oh, it's recording.
You 1, 2, 3, 1. I need to put my
Where are we
seatbelt.
going? What's the adventure today on the 30th of August 2022? There's the police.
Fuck, put your seatbelt
Dana, why
on.
did you do it right now? You should have done it right in front of it.
The bastards.
Anyways, back to what we were saying. So we're in the car on a rainy winter's day on another adventure into the rainforest.
To the rainforest!
Up in Healesville.
I can't wait! It's a beautiful place up there with the waterfalls.
We have a bag packed full of our sandwiches and our lunch, and we're gonna sit by this beautiful creek.
And we're gonna make some little sandwiches.
Next to the creek. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much at the moment. It's raining a lot, but I don't think that's really gonna matter. We've got our jackets on and it gets us outside.
Yes! Looking forward!
We've just arrived in this beautiful spot. Wait till we show you what's down there.
Come have a look! It's so cool, I love it! We're gonna go all around from the other side and I want to show you these beautiful trees and the mushrooms. Come have a look. Show you. This is a sign that maybe up here is living wild pigs or deers and digging to find some mushrooms or some food. That's incredible. They're coming over here, obviously, from the mountain.
Why do you keep it there? Oi!
Hey, be careful with the knives. Avocado. It's raining so much, but that's alright. A little bit of rain. Tomatoes. Rocket salad. Organic, delicious chicken breast. And here we're going to add the aioli. Bills is love aioli. I think that's enough. Then we're gonna close it.
One biter.
One biter.
Washing the knife for? That's not a knife.
It is a knife.
This is a knife.
I'm wet. Oh. Yeah.
Oi, watch out.
I'm sorry. Oh,
Be
no.
careful. I need these eyes.
No, yeah, you do. Be careful. Mafia. Look at that.
The Greek mafiosa.
Well, we finished our lunch and now we're going to go back because we are soaking wet.
Soaking wet.
Soaking.
But it's been a good adventure, hasn't it?
Amazing. I love it. Just a little bit more, just a little less rain, that would be great. But actually we are in a rainforest.
And that's Melbourne for you, hey?
It is.
If you want to know where we are in this beautiful spot that we've come to a couple of times,
Budget weir picnic area.
Say it again.
Budget weir weirdo. Budget
Okay.
weir. Okay.
It's called the
Badger
Weir
picnic area.
That's the one. So the Badger Weir picnic area, and it's in Healesville
It is
in Melbourne,
Healesville.
Victoria. Absolutely beautiful area. You can come here during the winter when it's raining. So I think it's more beautiful during the winter actually, do you?
Yeah, because it is rainforest.
And
so.
there's no one here. So it's perfect, you know, during summer there's barbecues, there's, you know, areas to have fires and all that sort of thing. So I could imagine there'll be a lot of people around.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
But this time of the year,
It is perfect to come over here in Melbourne. Enjoy it. Enjoy everybody, and please
like and subscribe. It'll really help us on our adventures in the
Yes.
future.
That's it.
Signing
Thank
out.
you. Sign out.